All right, guys, what's going on, man? Your boy Lance over here, man. Over here, Crucial RC. Um, this is my bearing press right here. I think it's a 12-ton bearing press or 12-ton press that I use for when I'm working on my cars, my full-scale cars and stuff like that. And even when I'm working on small stuff with RC, it's a pain in the butt to work on. I'm gonna tell you the truth, because first of all, it's in the corner of my garage, like in between my tool chest, the cars. And it's just like tucked away all to the side. So I really need to get this garage together. But like I said, anytime I gotta press on bearings on the hubs or anything for my RC cars or something like that, I gotta use this. All right, now, like I said, this is a little bit of a pain, but it gets the job done. I mean, don't get me wrong, it definitely gets the job done. But in the meantime, I went on ahead out to Harbor Freight and picked up a little something to, help out on the little small stuff. You know what I mean? Like little small bearing presses for the hubs and stuff like that. I don't need a 12-ton press for that. A half-ton or a 1-ton press works perfect. So let's get in the house and I'm going to show you what I got. All right. So down here in the basement, what we have here from Harbor Freight is the Central Machinery 1-ton Arbor Press. All right. Now, I've looked into these on Amazon, little small, benchtop presses on Amazon, and most of the ones I got on Amazon are like half-ton. So this actually got me excited because of the 1-ton version of it. And plus, the prices are insane on Amazon because of the weight of this thing. This thing weighs a ton. So when you go pick this off the shelf, make sure you you're aware of that this thing weighs a ton. But like I said, it's a 1-ton press, so I was just excited about this. So I ran down to Laurel, hooked up at the Harbor Freight down there, and they had one left, one in stock. So I scooped it up. Like I said, this is for little small jobs. Let's take this out of the box and see what we got going here. All right, so here we are. Got the main unit here. We got the actual pressing mechanism here. This is the I guess the Arbor plate. You sits down here on low, so you can adjust how you want your part to sit on there. Now, the one thing I did notice, there are some sharp parts on this thing, so be careful when you're handling this. So we got that. We got the lever mechanism here, the instructions. And this was in the box. I don't know where this goes to, but pretty sure it's a piece of metal or something. I don't know. We'll look at the instructions to figure out what that is. All right. So looking at this, they called it some kind of washer spacer. I don't know where it goes on this machine. I don't really think it's needed. So we're going to start with, we'll take the plate, put the plate down. All right. And we'll take the actual press mechanism. We'll slide that down. Alright. I don't think there's a top and bottom of this. I think it just slides in. So, and we didn't have to unbolt anything for this yet, anyhow. So like I said, all these bolts right here are still loose. And then we have the collar on that mechanism. Slide this in. And that just goes through like such. And then we'll take the collar. We'll clean this threads off this set screw and put some Loctite on it. Some blue Loctite. And that just slides right on here. Like that. And now we have a press. All done. All I needed was 3mm hex and a 14mm wrench. I found out, looks like just tighten these up so that it's kind of almost touching this bar to give it a little bit of pressure so it doesn't just twirl on you. At least that's what I think anyhow. Also, notice this. Let's see if I can turn this around. That cracked on me. There it is. That cracked when I was tightening it up. So that just shows you don't tighten it up too much, but I don't understand why it's so brittle. You know what I mean? You gotta tighten it up for the hand, but I guess it really ain't needed to be super tight. So I'll have to give me a new one of them. A little disappointed in that, but you know, here we go. You know, we got this set up. It's got a little stop mechanism here for the handle, so you can loosen it up and move it around as you need it. There's some sharp burrs on this. I'm gonna take my Dremel and just smooth some of this stuff out. There's some sharp burrs down here. I'm gonna take my Dremel and smooth some of that out. But you know, this is what I needed right here. I needed one of these little small bearings to press in there. Matter of fact, we got one we're gonna go try out real quick, and we'll get it over here and see how it works. All right, so there you have it, man. That was a little quick video of the Harbor Freight bench press. $60, man. You can get one of these joints for, plus, you know, you get all kind of coupons for Harbor Freight. Go ahead, pick one up, man. Makes life a hell of a lot easier, yo. So, all right, a little something here. Crucial RC. I'll holler at you, out.